Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T20 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and here we have to find a special section which is called the system. Let's tap on the system. Here on the second position we've got the gestures. Let's tap on it, and here as you can see on the second position we've got the system navigation, so let's tap. As you can see we've got two different options, so the 3-button navigation which is currently applied and the gestures. Unfortunately we cannot customize the buttons, so let's simply tap on gestures. Here you've got the animation which will show you how to use the gestures, but no worries, of course I'll explain it to you later on. Here we've got the settings also, so you can customize them, and as you can see you can swipe to invoke the assistant or change the back sensitivity. However, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, because then you will be able to decide whether you want to have it lower or higher. So I will not customize it right now. And basically, in order to get back to the previous page, just by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, and it doesn't really matter from which side you will do it, because it works from the left and from the right side. As you can see, we've got also this arrow. So after releasing the finger, you will simply get back. If you want to go back directly to the home page, all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and it should be a short quick motion, just like that. And as you can see, we've got the home page. And in order to open the recents, you have to repeat the motion, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, just like that, so the motion should be longer. And basically this is it. This is how to set the gestures and how to use the gestures in your DOOGEE T20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.